Welcome to Reciprocal Trigonometric Functions. So a reminder that reciprocal means 1 over, and so for each of our trigonometric functions, that's sine, cos and tan, we have reciprocals. So cosec theta is 1 over sine theta, sec theta is 1 over cos theta, and cot theta is 1 over tan theta. So we're going to have a look at one of our examples that we've done in the past. So we're going to use our all stations to Reciprocal, and we're going to draw our triangle based on the information given. And then we'll find our trig ratios that we've been asked for. So we've been given cos theta equals 1/3 and sine theta is less than 0. So from here you need to pick where cos is positive and sine is negative. Draw your triangle and then we'll figure out what tan theta, cosec theta and cot theta are equal to. So, as I said, cos is positive and sine is negative, so therefore the triangle is drawn in quadrant 4. That's where cos is positive and sine is negative. Cos is 1/3, so theta in the corner. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so the 1 goes on the adjacent side, the 3 on the hypotenuse side. And then we use Pythagoras to find the other side. So that gets us the square root of 8 or 2/2. So starting with tan theta, so tan theta in the fourth quadrant is negative, so therefore we get negative opposite over adjacent, so we get negative 2/2 over 1, which is just negative 2/2. When we do cosec theta, we've got to consider the cosec theta in respect of sine theta. So it is the reciprocal of sine theta. So therefore, if sine is negative in that quadrant, so is cosec. So sine is equal to negative opposite over hypotenuse in that quadrant. So cosec is the reciprocal, so that'll be the negative of the hypotenuse over the opposite. So that's equal to negative 3 over 2/2. With cot theta, it needs to be kept in mind with tan theta. And tan theta in that quadrant was negative, so is cot theta. And we've already done tan theta, that was part A. So tan theta was equal to opposite over adjacent with a negative. So cot theta is negative adjacent over opposite, which is negative 1 over 2/2. Thank you.